We have aborted our plan to go down to the desert because the road we were supposed to do for the next 5 hours, this is the condition of the road. So it doesn't make sense for us to go till there in this weather. It's gonna take a lot of energy and also it's gonna make a lot of problem for us. So we had to cancel quite a lot of plans and we are heading to Rabat now. धूप मिल गया धूप. It feels so nice. It feels so nice to have the sun back. Oh wow, look at that dark cloud above us. We are back on highway. Not what we wanted, but we had to. There was no other option unless we wanted to go in that snow. And the weather was shit, so this was the best thing to do. This landscape is so nice. This reminds me of my childhood. You know, when we used to do that mountains and a house and a lake, there is a river pathway here. Look here. And the mountains look similar to what we used to draw with some clouds. The petrol rate is around 12.42, which is almost a pound. 120 to 130 rupees. Huh? Yeah, YouTube. Yeah. Gracias. Thank you. We almost had a hour break. We are all good. It's just 70 kilometers from here. I mean, people in Morocco are very good. A few of them, when we said India, they said, oh, namaste. And few of them said, oh, we know Shah Rukh Khan, we know Salman Khan. And there was one guy said who was like, Modi. And also, few people said, Pakistan Zindabad. So nothing can be done. It's a mixture of emotions, mixture of people. Even the police officers are very good. If you just stop and ask any questions, or if you have any doubts, or if you are confused where to go, what to do, talk to a police officer or a local, they are good. I genuinely like these people. Okay, this is a bit weird. Wow, this is Rabat. And not sure where we are going. Don't want to get fucked up after going in. Sometimes it feels it's good that we have the bike. Sometimes it feels it's good that we should have had the car. It is just how that feels. Wow, now this is some adventure. Thank you. This reminds me of Punjab. Now this is next level shit. ले पूरा मार्केट ಒಳಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಂಟೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದು. Wow, this is bro, where the fuck is this place? Not sure. Sometimes it is hard to believe Google Maps, sometimes it isn't. Oh, this is the one. Shukriya. was a nice day. But maybe if we had good amount of gas, we might have rode to the place where we had to go.